Okay, Katie, I'm going to show you how to burp this system in case it all froze in the house. First thing you do is get a new filter out of this box here. They're all individually wrapped, so just go ahead and unwrap it. Throw the wrapping in this trash can. Have the filter ready. Just set it here. You're going to turn off 2 valves. Either one of these, but I always turn this one off. And then the second one is actually this one. You turn it off like that. That way, this is isolated from the house. Then, take this tool, put it underneath here, get it positioned where you're ready to pull it towards you. It's the same, it's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, so we're going to loosen it. But you won't be able to loosen it unless you let the pressure out of it. So by holding this down for a few minutes, you'll let all the pressure out. A few seconds, actually. Okay, that should be enough. Put your hand here, pull towards you like that, and that will loosen it. Set it down, spin it off. We call this burping the system because it's getting some kind of airlock in it. So dump all that out. Put the new filter in the very center of it. It's got a place to put it.
Oh, make sure
this is completely not moving.
And that gasket.
Oh, make sure this black gasket is still there. And it's intact, so it's fine. Put it back up here. Turn very slowly to get it started. Hand tighten it up to this. All right, then take the tool and just give it a few turns until it feels tight. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on it, it's a plastic tool. Then you want to turn this one back on, turn this one back on, and then burp all the air out of it. Sometimes it'll squirt water at you, so just put your hand up here. But make sure you get all the air out. You could hear all that air. Hear it? When you get nothing but water, you know there's no air left in it. I would wipe it with your hands just to make sure you get all the excess off. Go dump this outside. I put the wet ones up here to dry, the old filter. Just take this outside, dump it. This way you can tell if this thing's leaking. If this is dry when you come back next time, then you know this is not leaking. But it's going to drain for a little bit because it just got wet. But that should do it. So then you go back, turn the air conditioners back on, and you should be fine.
And these 2 valves that he was talking about, when you turn them off or on, it's just a
quarter turn.
Quarter turn.
Yeah, they lock. They can't turn any further. So there's a little place that keeps them from turning too far.
So but that one and that one.
Yeah.
All right.